Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get that old film effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever wanted to give your footage that nostalgic vintage look with scratches, dust, and that classic film grain, this tutorial will show you exactly how to achieve it using DaVinci Resolve's built-in tools. First things first, open up your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once it launches and you have your project loaded, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll be applying all your effects and making your creative adjustments. Now that you're in the edit workspace, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a section called Effects. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Resolve FX. This opens up DaVinci Resolve's library of built-in effects, which includes a fantastic range of tools for color grading, image restoration, and stylization. In the Resolve FX library, you'll want to search for an effect called Film Damage. Simply type it into the search bar and it should pop right up. This effect is specifically designed to replicate the look of old, worn film stock, complete with scratches, dust particles, and other imperfections that give footage that authentic vintage character. Once you've located Film Damage, click and drag it directly onto the clip in your timeline where you want the effect applied. After you've dropped the effect onto your clip, head over to the top right corner of the interface and click on Inspector. This panel is where all your detailed controls live. Within the inspector, you'll see a tab labeled Effects. Click on that and then look for the option that says Open FX. Clicking this will expand the full range of parameters available for the film damage effect you just applied. Here's where the real magic happens. You now have access to a wide variety of settings that let you customize the old film look to match your creative vision perfectly. You can adjust film blur to control how soft or sharp the image appears, mimicking the way older lenses captured light. Temp shift and tint shift allow you to alter the color temperature and tint, giving your footage those warm, faded tones typical of aged film stock. You'll also find controls like focal factor and geometry factor, which let you tweak lens distortion and vignetting to replicate the optical quirks of vintage cameras. Tilt amount and tilt angle are particularly useful if you want to simulate the slight misalignment or warping that happens with old projectors or degraded film reels. Play around with each of these settings until you find the combination that gives you the exact aesthetic you're going for. And there you have it. You've successfully applied and customized an old film effect in DaVinci Resolve, transforming your modern footage into something that looks like it was shot decades ago. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.